All right, so this guy bet us that he can drink water the fastest.
Why do I need this?
So
I don't know. They were sitting here, so I decided to give them back to you guys.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if he can, in fact, drink this water the fastest.
No, well, I'm gonna drink this one. He's gonna drink that one.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready?
You guys ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed some.
That's how you win, boys.
I missed some at the bottom and let it back up.
Same.
You got some water on your shoulder.
Do I really?
Yeah.
You guys are trash.
All right, so starting out this week after a long weekend, we've got Nick's truck in here. We did this quite a while ago. It's got 6-inch BDS, 35-inch Nittos, and fuel sludges on it. And today we've got it in here doing some rough country front bumper, rear bumper, and a grill insert, all with the lights. And we're doing a Pro Comp switch panel on there. So should turn out to be pretty good. He's excited. We've been waiting on this one since like March. So it's been a while. He's been patient. So we're getting it all done today. Well, this is about 2 weeks later. Unfortunately, the truck left before we were able to get any pictures or video after the install of the bumpers and the grill. So here we are 2 weeks later, and it is back, about to get some headlights and taillights installed, but we figured we'd show you what we did on it the first time before it goes into the shop for the headlights and taillights. So on the front here, did the rough country full-size bumper on here. It's got the rough country pods on both sides, and then it's got the rough country light bar in the middle. It does work with all the sensors. And then we did the rough country grill insert that has the light bar in that as well. And then on the back here, we've got their rear bumper, which has the lights also hooked up here with these sensors as well. So pretty slick. And then on the inside, probably want to go in on that side, Tyler. And then on the inside here, we've got the Pro Comp switch panel that we installed in here. So that Pro Comp panel, all we got to do is just hit here and it turns them on. I'm not sure which ones do which because it's been a while since we've done it. But yeah, pretty slick, easy done. But you'll see it here going into the shop, like I said, to get some headlights and tail lights on there. I can't remember the brand, but we'll show you here in a few. Finished product of Nick's truck, finally done. We've got the Alpharex Midnight Nova series, or Nova Midnights, I don't freaking know, but they are awesome lights. I've got the same series of light in my truck. I absolutely love them. It's got the sequential turn signal and the daytime running, and then it's got the 4 projectors for DRLs and for regular lights. In this week, we also got a couple other things that are going on. but they're not going to be really a part of this video. We'll kind of tease at it a little bit, but they're going to have their own videos posted on the channel. So my truck, we're getting ready for the overland trip that I've got planned out by Telluride at Alpine Loop and everything. So we are getting the truck all geared up, ready for that. This week we're getting the rack on, the awning on, the tent, all the other accessories, and getting everything set and ready to go as I leave Sunday for that. And we've also got a new build that's coming up here. So Nick Stray, I don't know if many of you will remember him or not. There is another video on our channel that'll be up here somewhere. He had a, let's see, red Chevy half-ton, 7.5-inch lift with bronze wheels. We absolutely love that truck. He loved that truck. He sold that truck. I don't know why he sold that truck. It happened. He got this thing, and now we are doing a new build on this to kind of commemorate his mom who had breast cancer. So he's been talking about doing this build for a while, and we finally just said, let's just go ahead and get it done. And so we're happy to be a part of it. That's going on this week. Ooh, Lambo. Anyways, so we're gonna finish that up this week. It just got back from the wrap shop, but like I said, that's gonna be its own video. Same with my truck, and you'll see that in the upcoming weeks.
It's the end of the week, and we're going to finish it off with something that I think is pretty cool. What we have here is a DJI Ronin S. It's a gimbal. It basically, there's 3 axes, whatever you want to call them, that will hold the camera basically straight. So it's basically a pull. It has 3 of them, and no matter what I do, because I'm kind of shaky, it will keep the camera looking completely steady and straight, and it won't be shaky, and it just makes it look a lot cooler. If you saw our last, or not our last video, but one of our previous uploads, I believe it was like Shop Vlog 6 or 7, we actually bought a gimbal, or I actually bought a gimbal. It was the DJI Ronin SC, which I believe this is the S, so I'm assuming the SC is Ronin S Compact, C for compact, we're just gonna assume. But I'll probably post that link up there somewhere. But we just got this one. This one can sport more weight. It's a little bit bigger, so it can sport my bigger lens. But I'll probably take you along. We'll unbox it, then we'll go outside, do a couple videos, clips, test it out, just see what we can do, throw the cinematics together, and I think that'll be it for this week's shop vlog. If you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. But let's get into unboxing this. I'm going to move the camera and figure out how I'm going to do this. I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Tyler. I do all the social media for Ultimate Truck. So I make all our videos, post our Instagram, post on our Facebook. But I do photography on the side. You can look up my Instagram. It's just @ShotsBySherman. I'll put it on the screen, and I'll throw a link in the description. I do photography on the side, whatever. You can check out somewhere up here. You can check out this video where we went along on a photo shoot with a customer's Cummins. But let's unbox this. All right, so again, I don't know how well you can see this, but DJI Ronin S. It's just a gimbal. It's like the filet mignon of gimbals, just the absolute unit, best one on the market. I think there's like 2 other ones that are better. Don't mind if this angle is horrible, because this is not an unboxing channel. We take videos and work on trucks. I don't even know how to open this thing. But it comes in this fancy little styrofoam case that's actually pretty nice. Pop it open, and a whole bunch of stuff, as you would expect. So I do know what most of it is, because I had their Ronin SC, the smaller version. The compact version is what we're going to assume, like we said earlier. So here we have the handle. What's neat about these is DJI actually designed it, so the head, oh my gosh, hold on, let's get this out of here. Is this like strapped into here? Oh, no, wow, it's really fancy. Ooh, it looks like it's used. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like they sent us a used gimbal. Cool. It might just be dirty, might be used, oh well. Wish I could figure out how to lock the axis, but basically right here you'll see this little adapter locks into this. But what's neat about this is you can actually buy replacement ones of these. This is basically just a battery. I'm pretty sure you can buy replacement ones. So if you can, you could basically have 2 of these, or 3 of them, 4 of them, however many you want, and you just non-aggressively slide it into, that's locked, slide it in there, lock it on, and then you have a different battery. But I'm gonna figure out how to set this up not on camera so we're not here all day, and then when I figure it out, I'll be back, and then we'll go out back and we'll get some super crispy truck shots. I promise. Well, 1 camera drop in the time lapse, and 45 minutes later, DJI did not do a good job designing this. These axes on their other models lock, so you can balance them individually. This one does not. If you buy one of these and you're expecting just set it up, go watch a YouTube video. This is just not ideal, but it came from factory with no charge at all, so we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to use this. But with the power of editing and Adobe Premiere Pro, it will be tomorrow now. Alright, well, it's the next day, and spent about 4 hours trying to balance the gimbal last night, and another like 4 hours today trying to get it balanced. DJI's website, not even help at all, not their YouTube, none of their tutorials. I had to figure it out on my own, kind of figured it out, might work, who knows. But Marty doesn't want to move his truck, so we're going to do some eating cinematics, just see what it can do, test it out. But in the next video, we will definitely get some crispy content for you guys. But I'm going to go get them clips, and then I'll catch back up with you after.
I don't know if this is going to work. It's not going to stick, Tyler. You're not going to be able to get this ASMR. This? Well, I was going to try and get some ASMR of me drinking. Yeah. Like if I just like hold it right here and... No, it's got to be like right by my mouth so that they can hear me go... Wow, look at that bite that he's about to take. Look at that beautiful bite. No, move away from him. Move. There you go. That's the good stuff. Yep, look at that. Man. Is he going to take a bite? Hold on, is he going to take a bite? Oh, that's a bite and a half. Yep. Oh, dragon fruit. Now that's the good stuff. Honestly, it sucks. Any of the flavored Red Bulls just suck. It's all about the basic Red Bull. You can't do the flavored ones. Hey everybody, I'm the voice behind the camera.